What's happening, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another product review. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Tonight's review is going to be about another hair straightener. Yes, that's right. I got another email from a company wondering if I can do another review on one. I said sure, why not? I've already got two, let's make it three. This one again is going to be new to me. I'm going to do it firsthand in front of you guys, so stay tuned and find out about the product.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for coming back and checking out my channel. Tonight's is going to be about another product review in the world of tools of the trade. The company sent me an email about another beard straightener, totally different from the two that I've reviewed. Same purpose, different company, different price. This one is called Ferbon. And you can get it on Amazon for $19.95. I'll leave that link in the description box below if you want to check it out. They sent me this product. Haven't used it, haven't even plugged it in yet. So everything's going to be fresh, new. You're going to be seeing it first time as I'm seeing it. Before we get into the review though, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, if you like the content, give me a thumbs up, and you might as well hit that notification bell if you do like what you see. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a video. So let's dive right down into it, guys. This product, like I said, is Ferbon, Ferbon, Ferbon. Another beard straightening brush. Did I get upside down? Men hair straightening hairbrush. I'm not lying, that's what that says. Men hair straightening hairbrush. Made in China, of course. And there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of good products come from China. And I guarantee I'm not the first that'll say that. So when we crack this bad boy open, I can see right now it's got the 360 power cord. That's always nice. And it looks like it's got a switch, not a push switch. Let's see what we got here. Just like the other one, it's almost fell out. It's a little package. It's got the directions. Man, again, it feels comfortable in the hand. Let's read the direction, guys. Multi-function hair straightening hairbrush. Straight in 1 second. Straight in 1 second. I'm not joking. That's what it says. All right. Operating instructions. Choose the 180 Celsius for coarse and wavy hair. Choose the 200 Celsius for thick and curly hair. Press on and off button for 3 seconds to turn it on, and hold for 3 seconds to turn it off. Okay, basic, we can do this. All right. I don't know if you guys checked out my my other review on the first one was the Kushlerbar. The second one was, I think, company was called Welltop, and this is called, like I said, Ferbon for $19.95. And I got to tell you guys, it feels durable. And again, it's got a spin cable on it. So we're gonna go with the second setting, is what they recommend. See how long it takes to heat up. Like I said, guys, this is all firsthand for me too. You guys are witnessing it. Me the first time using it. I can feel it getting hot right now. It seems like it got hot quick. I'll give it that. The buttons are still solid. I can still touch it. The center of that's starting to heat up, the brush side. And the brushes at the times are actually quite long. I think they're the longer on the other two. I'm sorry. I think these ones are longer than the other two I reviewed. The lights are still solid. That's hot. I think she's ready. I'm going to wait a few more seconds to make sure they don't start blinking. I didn't read anything to where it says they start blinking once it's hot.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I'm pretty sure it's at max temperature, and the backside don't even get remotely hot, and that's pretty nice. That's a nice feature. But the front side, it's definitely hot. And I mean, I'll show you. I put that on my cheek, and it's not hot at all. So let me crawl down here like the last video. Let me see if I can straighten this area up right here. It's usually I just got done putting product in kind of heavy because I don't want this to burn my beard. The lights are still solid, as you can see. So I'm gonna actually hold this out to see if it will straighten it. Wow. Holy crap. Are you guys seeing that? That didn't take nothing to straighten. Holy crap. That's pretty impressive. Alright, we'll try the chin. I don't know if you guys can see that little bevel right here. It's always, my bottom of my chin's right here. And don't make fun of me. My bottom of my chin is right there. I got a small face. Yeah, alright. Let's try to take that out. And I gotta switch batteries real quick. I gotta switch batteries really quick. Yeah, that's usually my worst part on my beard, is right there, so we're gonna try that part. And as you can see, the light is still solid. I don't know how good you guys can see that, but we're gonna you know, like on the first brush I reviewed, if you got a curly beard right here, you know, you go over because there's the surface area to push on. That way it'll straighten up the beard, and that's really hot. It feels a little too hot actually. I got a lot of product on my beard, so all right, guys, here goes nothing. Got some steam going on. Okay, now that part is hot. That part got hot, so note that. I think what sets this one off from the first one I did is the fact that it's not straight. It bevels out like that. And it just, for some reason, it gives you more control over it. As you can see, wow. Again, the last one I did I was impressed with. This one I'm even more impressed with. Let's see. What do you think, guys? I definitely wouldn't recommend using this every day on your beard, of course. gotta admit, I'm pretty impressed. See, this part, I have a lot of trouble with this area. I think I just need to go to a good barber and get everything straightened. That way, it's all one good length. I'm impressed, guys. What do you think? I know I keep saying that, but man, I think because it's beveled out like that, get my seat. I think because it's beveled out like it is, you get more control of it, and it just, I mean, it's a good working product. How long will it work like this? I don't know. But like I said, it's $19.95 on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description box. To me, it works. It feels good in the hand. It feels it feels well made. Like, it's kind of mind-boggling because you have that one, the first one, for X amount of money, and then you have the second one for X amount of money, and then you have the third one for 20 bucks. I would say if you're interested in trying it, grab this one up. It's not ripping any of my hairs out. It's straightening my beard like it should. Let's do the pull test. I'm getting no hairs whatsoever coming out. So again, a couple hairs, little hairs, stuck in the tines, but overall, I think this is a win-win too. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review. Again, it's the Ferbon heat straightener. It's on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the support. Appreciate you sticking around for this video. And until next time, peace.